Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I apologize, I have not been posting videos lately. I kind of took a break from YouTube. That plane is kind of low, but I took a break from YouTube and you know, I had to get some things together. But for 2021, the channel is going to be lit. You can see it in the background, Lucifer, Mamba. For all your new subscribers, this is it. Let me turn the camera around so I give you some more video of the cars. All right, for your new subscribers, this right here is the Mamba 87 Buick Grand National 2017 CL1 Lucifer. But first, let's do with this car right here. Guys, I haven't started this car up in like a couple of months. You know, so we're gonna get some cold starts on this car. This car ain't been started up like 3 weeks or so because I don't drive it much. So, as you can see, guys, it's on a tender. If y'all don't have a tender, guys, if your car is parked like mine, I don't drive it that much. Let me show you what I got. You really need this. It's battery tender right here. I don't know if you can see it. It's a battery tender junior. And I got this off of Summit. Hey dude, it's not expensive at all, only 30 bucks. I think it's like 27 or something like that, and it does the job. You know, only if you don't drive your car like I do. It sits in the garage, it's cold. But that is what you need. So look on Summit, Jags, they have it for 30 bucks. You can't go wrong. And it does a good job. Keep this battery charged up and everything. So let me go ahead and give y'all a cold start. Like I say, this car has not been started probably about a couple of months. Let's find the keys. Got a lot of keys here. All right, let's see if we can get this thing started. Get y'all a cold start. Like I say, I haven't drove this car. Here I go again. Let me my trusty mitt. All right. This is the first cold start. First cold start in probably about 2 months. Let me roll this window down first. So I can fit in there. We're gonna have to be able to move this. All right, here we go. Guys, y'all need to get y'all battery tender if your car sits for a while. Just for added insurance so they start up in the wintertime. And again, for your new subscriber, this is my 87 Buick Grand National. With the, you know, it's got the GNX kit on it. A lot of people trying to smash me on the comments. It's a fake GNX, but I always make sure I put in my videos that this is the Grand National with the GNX kit. So, you know. And for that right there, the car, it sounds good, but I like to have it a little louder. And that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to try to make this car a little louder. Since I don't have you know, like a electric exhaust cutout. But anyway, let me give you a cold start on Lucifer. Like I say, it's 17 start. All right. Oh, you got a little bit of sound. Let me show y'all underneath this hood. If I can find the latch. Where is it at? There it is. Guys, I was going to try to save some money trying to remove his supercharger myself. But I just happened just to look at it, and this thing is massive. This is too huge for me to try to do it by myself. So I'm gonna leave that alone and let somebody else take it off and send it off to have it ported for me. I'm gonna have it done by Kong Performance. If y'all seen it in the previous video, and I'm gonna have a 103 millimeter throttle body. But this supercharger is so massive. It is huge. It is really huge. 1.7 Eaton, and I'm not gonna fool with it. I'm just gonna let the professionals do it. And you know, what's the extra money, right? So, with that being said, guys, I'm gonna move this car out, and then we're gonna get on that one. I got a little trick that Sean Carver, one of my friends, gave me a little idea of how to make this thing a little bit louder. I don't want it too loud, but I want a little bit more sound out of this car right here, especially when I come in and warm it up. So let me get these cars out and then we'll get started. Alright guys, since I got the cars moved out, let me pop this here for y'all guys so I can see a look. Get y'all know the look of this. Alright, so what I'm going to do with these, let me show you what I got real quick. What I'm going to do with these washers right here, I'm going to attempt to make it a little louder. Since I don't have electric cutout, so my plan is I'm going to remove this cap. Let's undo this. And this right here is just because I don't have an electric a dump yet. I might have to get one. But like I said, I just want it a little bit louder. Confidential. Come on now. Alright, so what I'm going to do with these washers, I'm going to put two this side, another two, put them on this side, alright, and got two more. And put them on top. Alright, let me try this cap. I might be able to fit some more. Let me put this cap on and see if I have enough room to tighten the bolts up. Fell off. Alright, let's try this. Yeah, that might just be enough. I'll go ahead and put the bolts on. Alright. Let me see if I can go find another nut to put on the top up there. Okay, I found one, and we're gonna put it up back up here. All right, just gonna tighten it down just a little bit. Hold on. All right, put it on there. Let's tighten this one down first. I'm gonna tighten this one down if it'll fit. Let's just do this one up here at the top. All right, guys, and you can see I just got a little bit of space right there, a little bit of gap. So I'm hopefully that'll give me make it a little bit louder. So like I say, I don't want to completely remove this cap, but like I said, I don't want to completely remove this cap because I don't want it too loud. So let's give it a fire up and see what it sounds like. All right, guys, my battery just died. So this is gonna be the first startup with this new mod, and I'm hoping it's louder than stock. You know, I really want that rumble. So let's try it out. So here we go. Let's see what it sounds like. Back here, when you get to this side right here, oh yeah, I like that. So guys, tell me what you think about that mod. Hey, it's a big difference. It's a real big difference. I love it. Yeah. So all y'all guys, if y'all got a dump, just get you some washers, get you a little spacer. That's all it does. I'm gonna rock with this for a little while. I kind of like this. It's not too loud. I'm gonna rock with this for a little bit. All right, guys, I think it's gonna be it for this video. If this is your first time checking out the channel, hit that subscribe button, support the channel. For all your new subscribers, thanks for subscribing. Like I say, it's more content coming. I know I've been slacking on the videos, but 2021 is going to be the year for the channel. Taking both cars to the track. I'm really excited about this one. I haven't turned the boost up yet. This one right here, Lucifer, it's going to the shop hopefully next month, but I'm just waiting on a K-Tech oil pump. Right now, they really haven't. I think they're supposed to start manufacturing like in second week in January or something like that. I don't know if it came out yet, but that's what I'm waiting on, because I'm not going to, you know, rebuild this, put a cam in it, not replacing the oil pump. because this year, the year of this car, the oil pump was real bad of going out, and I don't want to spend that much money, you know, for something to mess up. So like I say, is this your first time checking out the channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Remember, this is too much boost. Peace. Back on the tender. All right, guys, that was just a little behind the scene thing. I'm out. Too much boost. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I apologize, I have not been posting videos lately. I kind of took a break from YouTube. That plane is kind of low, but I took a break from YouTube, and you know, I had to get some things together. But for 2021, the channel is going to be lit. You can see it in the background, Lucifer, Mamba. For all your new subscribers, this is it. Let me turn the camera around so I can give you some more video of the cars.